Now, as it was explained and discussed by even our principal sir and students of ICHRA, that our teachers and lecturers of ICHRA Mission School as well as ICHRA Mission Junior College, they played a prominent role during this pandemic. They are COVID warriors. They are the unsung heroes of the crisis. So we are going to appreciate them. We are going to begin this honoring ceremony. So I would like to invite, I request college in charge, Mrs. Hamid Unisa Begum, along with her staff, to please come on the dais. I welcome Mrs. Hamid Unisa Begum, college in charge, along with her staff. Please come on the dais. Mrs. Shaheen Sultana, College Faculty of Civics. Ms. Husaini Begum, Lecturer of Botany. Aisha Siddiqui Begum, Commerce. Mr. Rajendra Prasanna, Physics Lecturer. Mr. Naveen Sir, Chemistry Lecturer. Mr. Sohail Sir, Zoology Lecturer. Mr. Aput Sir, English Lecturer. Mr. Saad Maqsood Sharif, Lecturer of Economics, and Yasmin Ma'am, Lecturer of Urdu. Now I humbly request our Honorable Principal Sir and Shabana Ma'am, please honor college in charge as well as her staff. Mrs. Hamid Unisa Begum, in charge of ICHRA Junior College, ICHRA Mission Junior College. Please appreciate her. She motivated her lecturers to be energetic during even this pandemic situation. She deserves appreciation. Mrs. Shaheen Sultana, Faculty of Civics. She was giving her online service during this pandemic. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ms. Husaini Begum, Lecturer of Botany. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your service during this crisis. Aisha Siddiqui Begum, Faculty of Commerce. Aisha Siddiqui Begum, Faculty of Commerce. These are the unsung heroes of the crisis. They worked when everything was locked down. So please appreciate these lecturers. Mr. Abood Sir, Lecturer of English. We salute your service, sir. Thank you so much for being so energetic even during such times. Yasmin ma'am. Yasmin ma'am, Lecturer of Urdu. Thank you so much, ma'am. You deserve appreciation. We appreciate such heroes. They gave their online service during these tough times. Thank you so much. I would like to call HMs of High School, Sayyid Iqbal Hassan Razvi sir and Mrs. Uzma Shireen ma'am, along with their staff, please come on the dais. Sayyid Kareem sir, Jafar sir, Kaleem sir, Safiya ma'am, Aisha teacher, Saif Khatija teacher, Humaira teacher, Naseem ma'am, Raisa teacher, and Khaja Mustafa sir. Please come on the dais, teachers. उस्ताद हूँ, मुझे इस पर मलाल थोड़ी है, उस्ताद हूँ, मुझे इस पर मलाल थोड़ी है, मुल्क का मुस्तकबिल संवारना आसान थोड़ी है, मज़ा तो तब है कि किसी खाक के ज़र्रे को मुनव्वर कर दूँ, मज़ा तो तब है कि किसी खाक के ज़र्रे को मुनव्वर कर दूँ, सिर्फ अपनी ज़ात को रोशन करना कमाल थोड़ी है, मिटाना पड़ता है खुद को कौम की तरक्की के लिए, request Honorable Principal Sir and Shabana Ma'am, please honor the teachers and in charges of high school. Sayyid Iqbal Hassan Razvi Sir, HM of High School Boys. I want everyone to appreciate them. Iqbal Sir. Mrs. Uzma Shireen Ma'am. Mrs. Uzma Shireen Ma'am. Please give them a big round of applause. Kareem Sir. Kareem Sir. Kareem Sir. Social Studies. He was handling social studies throughout this pandemic. He was taking online classes, recorded video lessons. Thank you so much, sir. You deserve appreciation. Jafar Sir. He was handling Hindi as well as Telugu through online mode. Thank you so much, sir. You deserve appreciation. Safia Ma'am. Safia Ma'am. She was handling Urdu. Thank you so much for your dedication and service, ma'am. Humera teacher. Humera teacher. She was handling Islamiyat. Please give her a big round of applause. Thank you so much for your service, ma'am. Naseem ma'am. She is an English teacher. She was giving her online service during these tough times. She tried hard to reach out to her children. Thank you so much, ma'am. Raisa teacher. She is an Urdu teacher. Thank you so much for your service, ma'am. I want everyone to appreciate these COVID warriors. These are the unsung heroes of the crisis. They worked hard during the tough times. Hats off for your service, teachers. Thank you so much. Now, in continuation with the appreciation of teachers, I would like to welcome and invite HMs of primary school, Farida teacher and Amina teacher along with their staff. I welcome HMs of primary school, Farida teacher and Amina teacher with their staff, Arshia teacher, Aziz teacher, Mahmouda teacher, Aisha Nuran teacher, Seema Nas teacher, Afreen Fatima teacher. These are the warriors. They unlocked their passion and instilled hope in us that everything can be locked down. But learning cannot be locked down. Learning must happen. So hats off for their service. I would like to invite Honorable Principal Sir and Shabana Ma'am. Please honor these staff along with their HMs. Farida teacher. Yeah, our guest of honor, Mrs. Tawkhir Fatima is here. And she is going to honor our teachers. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your pleasant time for us. Farida teacher, voice section, HM. Amina teacher. Amina teacher from girls section. Arshia Begum. Arshia Begum. She was teaching Urdu. Thank you so much for your service, ma'am. Aziz teacher. She was giving her service. She is an amazing English teacher. Please appreciate her. She deserves appreciation. She was along with her students during these tough times. Mahmooda Fatima. Mahmooda teacher. She was handling mathematics. A big hats off to Mahmooda teacher for her service. She was in touch with her students during these crises. She did not give up in this situation. Aisha teacher, she was taking general science and EVS. Thank you so much, teacher. Seema teacher, she was teaching Telugu. She was giving her service, her dedicated work. We appreciate her hard work. Afreen teacher, she was teaching Hindi. She was in touch with her students during these tough times. Thank you so much, teacher. These are the unsung heroes of the crisis. They unlocked their passion during lockdown. हौसले अगर टूटने लगे तो हिम्मत मत हारना. बिना मेहनत के तख्तो ताज नहीं मिलते और अंधेरों में भी ढूंढ लेते हैं मंजिल अपनी. जुगनू कभी रोशनी के मोहताज नहीं होते. I dedicate this poetry to all the lecturers as well as teachers who are the COVID warriors this pandemic. Let us continue the appreciation of teachers. I would like to welcome Hifz section staff. Please come on the dais. Hafiza Alia Tasneem Sahiba and Hafiza Sana Begum Sahiba. Please come on the dais. I would like to request our Honorable Principal Sir, Shabana Ma'am. Please come on the dais and honor the staff of Hifz section. Hifz section is also one of the important sections in Iqra Mission High School. These teachers gave their service with dedication and we salute their untiring work. They were connected with the students during these tough times. They were teaching Tajweed through online mode with recorded lessons as well as Hifz, Nazira. They served the students not only with Diniyat as well as with Tajweed and Quran. Hifz Quran. So I request Principal Sir, please honor Hafiza Alia Tasneem Sahiba. Thank you so much for your service, ma'am. You deserve appreciation. I want everyone to appreciate her. Hafiza Sana Begum Sahiba. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to call Mustafa sir. Please come on the dais. From high school. He is a high school teacher. Please come on the dais. Mustafa sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your online service. For being connected with the students during these tough times. Jazakallahu khair. I would like to call pre-primary HMs along with their staff. Would like to welcome Mrs. Sohaila Arshi ma'am and Siraj Fatima ma'am. Please come on the dais along with your staff. Kanis Banu, Rehana Begum, Amreen Fatima, Tahira Begum, Amreen Fatima, Amreen Begum, Khatija Begum. I request Principal Sir and Ma'am. I also request Mrs. Tawheer Fatima Ma'am, Guest of Honor. Please come on the dais and honor our teachers. Please, Ma'am. Mrs. Sohaila Arshi Ma'am, Pre-Primary HM. Please appreciate her dedication. The speciality of hers is she also recorded video lessons
for the pre-primary children. She not only worked as an in charge, but also recorded video lessons. She worked as a teacher. So unlocking the passion during lockdown. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your dedication. Siraj Fatima, ma'am, pre-primary in charge. Thank you so much for your collaboration and support to your staff, ma'am. Kanish teacher, a truly dedicated teacher, all-rounder. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your unseen efforts. You reach out to your children. Rehana, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. She is an Urdu teacher and she has been giving her service through online with recorded video lessons. Amreen teacher, Amreen Fatima. Thank you so much, teacher. These are the unsung heroes of the crisis. They faced all types of different challenges. They adopted different methods and ways of teaching. Tahira teacher. Thank you so much, teacher. We appreciate you for your dedication and hard work. Amreen teacher, Amreen Begum. These are the teachers who stayed connected with their students throughout these tough times. Salute and hats off for their service. Khatija teacher. Thank you so much, teachers. I dedicate this poetry for you. जो ये उस्ताद होते हैं, जो ये उस्ताद होते हैं, हकीकत में यही कौम की बुनियाद होते हैं. जो ये उस्ताद होते हैं, जो ये उस्ताद होते हैं, हकीकत में यही कौम की बुनियाद होते हैं. जो करते हैं अदब उस्ताद का पाते हैं वो रिफ़अत. A silent message to all the students. जो करते हैं अदब उस्ताद का पाते हैं वो रिफ़अत. जो इनके बेअदब होते हैं वही बर्बाद होते हैं. Thank you so much, teachers. I would like to call the supportive staff on the stage. In other words, technical team, Farhad teacher, Neha teacher, Muhammad Ali sir, Noor teacher on the dais. I request Farhad teacher, Neha teacher, Muhammad Ali sir and Noor teacher on the dais. I request principal sir and ma'am to please honor these supportive staff. These are the persons behind the scene. In other words, I would like to say these are the internet people. These are the persons who were behind the scene, and because of this staff, we were able to watch everything and online service was in progress. Farhad teacher. I request principal sir to honor Farhad teacher. She is the most dedicated one. Thank you so much for your services. Farhad teacher, we appreciate you. Muhammad Ali sir, we appreciate him for his untiring service. Dedication, determination. Thank you so much, sir. Noor Jahan teacher. We also appreciate her. She deserves appreciation. Thank you so much for your honest service. I dedicate this poetry for this staff. जीतेंगे हम हर हाल में ये खुद से वादा करो. They have decided this. When all these crises came in front, they took up the challenge and decided, जीतेंगे हम हर हाल में ये खुद से वादा करो. जितना सोचते हो कोशिश उससे ज्यादा करो. तकदीर भी रूठे पर हिम्मत न टूटे. मजबूत इतना अपना इरादा करो. Thank you so much everyone. I would like to call the supporting official staff on the stage for the appreciation. Would like to invite the supportive official staff, Muhammad Amjad Ali sir, Muhammad Abdul Basit sir, Samina ma'am, Maimuna Fatima, Masarrat teacher. I request these supportive official staff, please come on the dais. I request principal sir and ma'am, please come on the dais to honor these staff. They belong to fee section and would like to say that they are the backbone of the management. Thank you so much for your dedication, hard work and untiring service. 24 hours I would like to say. Thank you so much. Samina ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. You deserve a lot of appreciation. Dedication, determination, hard work. Thank you so much for your service ma'am. Maimuna ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am for being in connected with the students as well as with the parents as well as with the teachers. You have played a very prominent role in the management. Masarrat teacher, she's the most important person. Thank you so much for giving your service all the time ma'am. You never said no.